Instagram. It's one of the most popular platforms in the world today. I know most of you love this app. So can you actually get paid using it? Of course you can. That's what I'm gonna show you today in this step-by-step tutorial. But in order for this to work, you need to be patient and watch this video all the way to the end, so you won't miss any of the sites and tips and tricks I'll be giving you. And I want you to know that this works worldwide. Just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as I always say. Then you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's start the video. So as the first step, create your brand new Instagram account, which you will be set. So as the first step, create your brand new Instagram account, which you will then start. So as the first step, create your brand new Instagram account, which you will. So as the first step, create your brand new So as the first step, create your brand new Instagram account, which you will be then. So as the first step, create your brand new Instagram account, which you will then set up as a page. And it can be a page of anything. For example, it can be a page relating to food, cars, babies, animals, sports, or whatever you prefer. It won't make that much of a difference, as we won't be marketing affiliate products or services in this page. Well, I always love dogs, so I created a page relating to dogs for an example. What you have to do is to optimize it according to the niche you chose. So upload a profile picture and fancy little bio, and that's it. No, that's not it. You should come over to socialtradia.com, because this won't be the only platform I'll be showing you today. And using social media alone won't get you paid. So please don't skip a second. I mean, please. So in this website, you can buy and sell Instagram accounts. And these are authentic Instagram accounts, risk-free transactions and quick process. And there are more than 1,000 Instagram accounts. And don't worry, you don't have to buy any Instagram accounts here, but you are selling your Instagram accounts here. And you might be thinking,
how can I sell my Instagram accounts with no followers?
well, I got you covered. As in this video, I'll literally show you how to build an Instagram page with a couple of thousand followers within minutes, and then sell it and make a good profit. When you scroll down the page, for how much money people are selling their Instagram accounts. So in this case, this person is selling his Instagram account for $1,600. And here you can see this guy has just 2,000 followers and he's selling it for $110. And this guy right here has 4,000 followers, he's selling it for $140. So with just 2,000 followers, you can sell your account for over $100 with ease. And some really big pages, as you can see, has been sold for thousands and thousands of dollars. So there's a huge potential to make a lot of money, and as you will now see, this is really simple to do so. So how to get followers easily? I'll be revealing you 3 strategies where you can make thousands of followers easily. One is free and the other 2 you have to invest a small amount of money. But don't worry, you can follow the first strategy and make some money, then you can reinvest some of that money and follow the second and third steps to maximize your earnings. Well, you can do this for a living, guys. So let's learn the first step. So you created a brand new Instagram account, you selected a good category. Well, you can select whatever the category you like, and you have to find some pages similar to your niche. So you can search here #dogs. Why is this important? Because all the likes and comments of these posts and followers of these pages are all dog lovers. So most of them will follow me, as I have a page relating to dogs. So that to happen, I just have to follow them and I will appear in their notifications. So you can go to one of the posts and go to one of their pages, click on the followers, and within a day you would follow hundreds of people, and most of them will have followed you back by then. But make sure you follow only 50 people per hour, and if you follow too many people too quickly, Instagram will prevent you from doing so for a few days. So potentially it takes a couple of days to rack up enough followers in order to be able to sell your page. But as you saw, it does pay off big time and could result in you earning hundreds of dollars without spending any amount of money. So you can go to pexels.com and search for dog images, and pixabay.com and search for dog images, and go to unsplash.com and search for dogs images and download those professional looking copyright free images of your niche. And if you come back to Instagram, if you like some of these photos and you want to post these photos on your profile, you can just click on the photo and copy the link, and you can come over to downloadgram.com, paste your link and click download. But in order to people to follow you, you need posts on your page. But when posting these photos from Instagram, make sure you credit the owner of that photo in the description. So follow these steps, grow your brand new Instagram account and sell it on socialtradia.com. By the way guys, I really hope you guys are getting some value out of this video. And if you do, don't forget to drop a like to it. Leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button over there and tap the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And now you have some money and you can reinvest some of that money. So you can come over to influencercard.com. On this site you can find people who run pages with thousands and thousands followers on Instagram who will promote your own page for a very few amount of money. And if you scroll down and see this guy with 120,000 followers will promote your page for just $5. So imagine 10% of them will follow you. How many followers you'll get? You'll get about 12,000 followers for just $5. And if you go back to Social Tradia and see right here with 2,000 followers has been sold for $110, and there you get 12,000 followers. And when you use influencer card, as you saw, a page with 120,000 followers will promote your page for just $5. And if you get just 10% of that 120,000 followers, that means 12,000 followers, and an account with 12,000 followers can be sold for about $300 here. And just imagine you spend just $5 for $300, how much of a profit you will get. And if you go back to influencer card, here you can find a lot of categories of accounts, and that's why I told you in the beginning,
pick a niche you like.
And this is just the default page, and if you explore this site you'll be able to find even a better deal. And the third strategy you can get followers to your Instagram account is buying real followers. And this site right here called Viral Race is the best website for that. So when you earn money from that first two strategies, you can just create an Instagram account and get real followers from Viral Race right away and sell that account. So as I said earlier, you can do this for a living guys. Use the first strategy to earn, then reinvest some of the money and start the second and third strategy while doing the first strategy. So you'll make tons of money from anywhere in the world easily. And as always, if you have any problems, please don't hesitate to comment down below. And I really hope you guys got some value after this video. If so, drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting the red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new content. As always, thanks for watching.